Here are the latest price moves for the SafeMoon SWAP partners. This is for July 27th, 2022. And I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you to go do your own research. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into the news. First up is SafeMoon itself. By the way, I want to point out to you guys that we are in the final stretch for the daily candle here. So everything you're seeing is right near the end of the day. SafeMoon itself had a green candle yesterday, seeing a further climb up today. It is up 7.54% in the last 24 hours with $380,000 worth of trading volume. Then we move on to, this is Pinu, also known as Piggy Inu. It's the newest SafeMoon SWAP partner. Just made an announcement about it today. I made a video covering on that project as well. We can see it had a very nice parabolic push up, huge sell-off pulling back down, currently holding just a little bit above in the green. So it's up 11.98% over the last 24 hours from what it's identifying. Of course, it just got started here. Volume is $180,000 with a $2 million market cap. Then on to MFX, which was a SafeMoon SWAP partner that launched yesterday. Green candle yesterday, just slightly in the green right now. We can see a good series of buy orders coming in. Has $150,000 worth of trading volume taking place right here. It is down 1.14% in the last 24 hours with a market cap of $18 million. Moving on to Shinja. Shinja had 2 red days. However, today, looking pretty good. Nice little climb up. Volume is quite low, though. $840 worth of trading volume, but it is up 10.47% as compared to 24 hours ago. Glow V2, look at that nice green candle push up. That is up 8.96%. Barely in the green yesterday, not much activity there, although volume was higher by comparison yesterday. So this move with $1,200 worth of trading volume has shown a nice push up on the candles itself. Up again, 8.96%. Then we move on to Sale. Sale has had 2 red days. However, it is now in the green here, showing $410 worth of trading volume. Very low volume, guys. This is up 0.61% compared to 24 hours ago. On to Enhanced Token. Volume is up compared to the previous 3 days, right on par with that of back on July 23rd. However, this is a green candle here. We can see it is up 6.63% in the last 24 hours with $3,700 worth of trading volume. Then moving on to Evergrow Coin, a second day in a row of green going on. Significant volume yesterday in comparison to what we see on the broader spectrum. Today, not as much for volume, but again, nice moves going on here. It is up 9.96% in the last 24 hours with a volume of $3,200. Then on to Affinity. Very nice looking candle, but once again, not much in the volume side in comparison to other days. This is up 8.27% in the last 24 hours with $1,200 worth of trading volume, and it was green yesterday, so we're on a second day in a row of that. Crypt Card seeing a very nice push up. That one, it's $2,900 worth of trading volume. The volume pretty comparable to that, not quite as high as yesterday, but pretty high, and is up 15.8%, doing very well in that regards. Then moving on to Grove Token. Grove Token looking almost balanced out for the course of the day here, on the verge of being red, on the verge of just barely being green. We can see that there were 4 red days in a row of selling pressure. This potentially on the verge of a slight, I gotta really zoom in here, slight potential of that of being green, currently resting at 1181. And it has $460,000 worth of trading volume. It's technically down 1.19% in comparison to 24 hours ago. And looking at the order books, we can see just a wave of green buys coming in. There is sprinkles of red here and there. And if we went back even further, of course, we would see it would be going back and forth between that as well. Moving on to the next one, Potherium. Okay, nope, don't want that. So moving on to the next one here, Potherium. That has $1,200 worth of trading volume in the last 24 hours, and it is down 1.03% as compared to 24 hours ago. It was a red candle yesterday, today, essentially reclaiming all of that back. Moving on to Reflex Finance. 2 very mediocre days of red, so not a huge issue there for the 2 previous days, but today it is seeing a further decline. It's $5,000 worth of trading volume. It is down 6.07%. We can see it's fitting within this channel, this consolidated space, waiting to see what it's going to be doing next. Then we move on to Empire Token. Empire Token is showing a bit of a recovery going on right here. It was a significant drop down on that previous day, but it is showing signs pushing up here. It's only $25. $25. Come on. Come on, 25 bucks? That was the trading volume in the last 24 hours, which ironically, that caused it to go up 6.04%. Moving on to Dox. Dox seeing a bit of a decline here, $2,800 worth of trading volume. The two previous days, very low for volume, but they did technically close out in the red. So we're looking to have a third day of closure here in the red. 24 hours, it is down 4.73%. Then on to Immortal. Reclaiming back essentially what was lost yesterday, just slightly below that. If we do zoom in here a tad bit more, you can see it's almost up to the same level. And that has $480 worth of trading volume in the last 24 hours with 6.68% up in that comparison. Moving on to Rhythm. Rhythm is continuing to make a rally. We zoom out here a tad bit on the daily charts so we can see a nice progressive run up starting from back on June 20th. So pushing itself up, it is now up to the 89 range, and it is up 6.13% in the last 24 hours, $570 worth of trading volume. Then moving on to Live Crypto Party. It had a green day yesterday, seeing a bit of a pullback today. It has $21,000 worth of trading volume. The last 6 days, we can see that there has been a significant push up in trading volume as compared to this long dry spell ever since more or less its hyper launch with the SafeMoon SWAP back on that of May 19th. So a little bit of a sell going on right here. But technically, in comparison to that of yesterday, it is not at its lowest point right now, but it is down 29.59% in the last 24 hours with $21,000 worth of trading volume. And that's what I've got for you guys. I want to thank you very much. If you guys are Patreon supporters, I appreciate you guys. Double shout out thank you to Vladimir Brockovich. We love SafeMoon.com, Murad Shaker, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members as well. You guys are greatly appreciated. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode. Like cryptocurrencies, your DNA is made up of data. And with SelfDecode, you can discover more about your personal health. SelfDecode can help you improve your mood, optimize your health, balance your gut, improve heart health, reduce stress, reduce inflammation, optimize your cognition, and improve brain health. Their process is very easy. Simply register at the website, read the instruction manual and collect your DNA sample, place the sample into the specimen bag, put the entire box in the return envelope, mail the return envelope back to them, and then wait 6 to 8 weeks for your results. Their website is easy to use, easy to understand, and as someone personally who sits down a lot throughout the course of the day, having resources that are more geared specifically to me that I can optimize my health, it's a huge game changer. You invest into other things, and there's no greater investment than yourself. So get started with SelfDecode. Check out the link in the description.